So tired. Long day. Too long. Finally home. Peace. Quiet. Pizza. Perfect. Frozen pizza. Easy dinner. Oven on. Timer set. I will sit for 5 minutes. Just 5. Couch. Soft. Warm. Phone in hand. Just one video. 1 becomes 2. 2 becomes 10. Wait. What is that smell? Smoke. The pizza. The pizza. He runs to the kitchen. Black. Completely black. This is not pizza anymore. This is charcoal. Smoke everywhere. Alarm beep. 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 Too loud. So loud. He waves a towel at it. Stop. Stop. The alarm does not care. Fine. Open the windows. Cold air rushes in. Too cold. Door swings shut. Click. Silence. Mark stands outside. No phone. No keys, of course. Inside. Smoke. Outside. Freezing wind. Perfect. Across the yard. Mrs. Gomez. Mark. Why are you barefoot? Long story. She nods slowly. You burned something again. How does she know? Last month. The toast. Oh. She hands him her phone. Call your wife. He dials. No answer. Text. No reply. She is at yoga. Peaceful. Calm. Breathing deeply. While he is barefoot in the cold. Wait. The smart doorbell. It connects to Wi-Fi. He can log in from Mrs. Gomez's tablet. Unlock the door remotely. Genius. They open the app. Loading. Loading. No connection. Wi-Fi is down. Of course it is. Router probably shut off from smoke. Technology saves no one today. Suddenly a car pulls in. His wife. She steps out slowly. Sees him. Barefoot. Cold. Holding Mrs. Gomez's tablet. She says nothing. Just stares. What happened? Small pizza situation. She walks inside. Looks at the oven. Looks at the smoke. Looks at him. You were watching videos, weren't you? Silence. Yes. She opens windows. Resets alarm. Opens freezer. No more pizza for you. Fair. Very fair. They sit at the table. Windows open. House freezing. She hands him a salad. Healthy dinner. He sighs. Then the power goes out. Whole house dark. The oven. The lights. The Wi-Fi. Everything off. They both stare at each other. No screens. No oven. No distractions. Just silence. He laughs. She laughs. Well, she says, looks like we talk now. He blinks. About what? She smiles. Anything. And for the first time all evening, they actually do.